Cooking in Copenhagen is easy and fun. Here's a quick demonstration of making an egg souffle. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of milk and whisk briskly. Add a tablespoon of shredded cheese and salt and pepper to taste. Pour your egg mixture into a black cooking pan. Unfold your Copenhagen and overlap your panels and secure with a clip. Once all of the panels are clipped, you can add a weighted base covered with shiny foil. The next step is to face the oven toward the sun. Place the cooking pan into the oven bag. Fold the oven bag closed. This is your cooking space. Place the bag in the center. Now it's time to adjust the panels to direct as much sunlight into the cooking space as possible. Once you find the perfect position for your black panel, reset your clips to hold it in place. You may also have to lower the front panel so it doesn't cast a shadow on the cooking space. Let the sun cook your food. Check back in about 40 minutes. It's done!